Knowledge Nexus.
Money Matters: Why Rich Dad, Poor Dad Still Resonates Today. In a world driven by money, understanding its power is crucial. The financial landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed is more important than ever. We work hard to earn money, but how many of us truly understand how to make money work for us? The daily grind often leaves little room for financial education. This is where Rich Dad, Poor Dad steps in, offering invaluable insights into the world of finance and challenging conventional wisdom. It teaches us to think differently about money and wealth. This book isn't just about getting rich, it's about achieving financial freedom. It's about understanding the difference between assets and liabilities and how to make smart financial decisions. It's about breaking free from the shackles of financial struggle and living life on your own terms. Imagine a life where you are not bound by financial constraints, where you can pursue your passions and dreams. Rich Dad, Poor Dad resonates with millions worldwide because it provides a roadmap to navigate the often confusing world of money. It simplifies complex financial concepts, making them accessible to everyone. The book emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, a skill often neglected in traditional education systems. It encourages readers to take control of their financial education and future. By understanding the principles outlined in this book, you can take control of your financial future and build a life of abundance. It's not just about wealth, it's about creating a secure and fulfilling life. Two Dads, Two Mindsets, a tale of contrasting perspectives. Rich Dad. Poor Dad centers around the contrasting financial philosophies of two father figures in the author's life. These two men, though both influential, had vastly different approaches to handling money and teaching financial principles. His biological father, the poor dad, represents the traditional approach to money. He believed in the conventional wisdom of working hard, securing a stable job, and climbing the corporate ladder. He worked diligently at a secure job, believing that a good education and steady income were the keys to success. His focus was on job security and the benefits that come with a steady paycheck. On the other hand, his friend's father, the rich dad, held a different perspective. He saw opportunities where others saw risks and believed in the power of financial education. He believed in financial independence and building wealth through assets. Instead of working for money, he focused on making money work for him by investing in businesses, real estate, and other income-generating assets. He emphasized entrepreneurship, investing, and understanding how money works. His teachings revolved around the importance of financial literacy and the mindset needed to achieve financial freedom. These contrasting mindsets highlight the difference between working for money and having money work for you. The poor dad's approach was about earning a living, while the rich dad's philosophy was about creating wealth. The rich dad philosophy encourages readers to challenge their beliefs about money and embrace a more proactive approach to building wealth. It inspires individuals to think beyond the paycheck and consider long-term financial strategies that lead to true financial independence. Lesson 1. Financial literacy, your most powerful weapon. One of the most important takeaways from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the power of financial literacy. The book emphasizes that understanding how money works is not a luxury, but a necessity. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your finances and avoid common financial pitfalls. Financial literacy encompasses understanding basic financial concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. It's about knowing the difference between assets and liabilities and how to leverage this knowledge to build wealth. The book stresses that financial education is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. It encourages readers to continuously learn and adapt their financial strategies to achieve their goals. Lesson 2. Work to learn, not just to earn. Invest in yourself. Rich Dad. Poor Dad challenges the traditional notion of job security. While a steady paycheck provides stability, it shouldn't be the ultimate goal. The book advocates for working to learn, not just to earn. This means seeking opportunities that expand your financial knowledge and skill set, even if they don't offer the highest immediate salary. Consider these experiences as investments in your future earning potential. The book emphasizes the importance of developing financial intelligence and entrepreneurial skills. Learning how to create businesses, manage investments, and generate passive income can lead to greater financial freedom in the long run. Lesson 3. Building assets. The path to lasting wealth. Rich Dad. Poor Dad differentiates between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Building wealth, according to the book, is about acquiring assets that generate passive income. These assets can include real estate, businesses, stocks, bonds, and intellectual property. The goal is to create a portfolio of assets that work together to generate income, even while you sleep. The book encourages readers to shift their focus from accumulating material possessions to acquiring income-generating assets. This shift in mindset is crucial for building long-term wealth and achieving financial independence. Lesson 4. Embracing risk and learning from failure. Stepping stones to success. Rich Dad. Poor Dad doesn't shy away from the importance of taking calculated risks. The book argues that playing it safe might provide temporary comfort, but ultimately limits your financial growth. Embracing risk doesn't mean making reckless decisions. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone, exploring new opportunities, and learning from both successes and failures. The book encourages readers to view failures as learning experiences. Each setback offers valuable lessons that can refine your financial strategies and lead to future success. Lesson 5. Creating multiple income streams. Diversifying your financial portfolio. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Rich Dad. Poor Dad emphasizes the importance of creating multiple income streams to diversify your financial portfolio. This means generating income from various sources, such as investments, side businesses, or rental properties. Multiple income streams provide financial security and accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. The book encourages readers to explore different avenues for generating income and to be open to unconventional opportunities. Building a diversified income portfolio safeguards against financial uncertainty and creates a more stable financial future. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. It's a path filled with opportunities and challenges, but with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your financial goals. Rich Dad. Poor Dad provides a compelling blueprint for achieving financial freedom. This book is more than just a guide. It's a transformative experience that can change the way you think about money and wealth. It challenges conventional wisdom, encourages readers to question their beliefs about money, and empowers them to take control of their financial destinies. By understanding the principles laid out in this book, you can start making informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step: educating yourself. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn about managing your finances, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial choices. Start by implementing the key lessons from this book. Develop your financial literacy, understand the difference between assets and liabilities, and learn how to make your money work for you. Seek opportunities to learn and grow, whether through books, seminars, or online courses. The more you invest in your financial education, the more confident you'll become in making financial decisions. Build a portfolio of assets, embrace calculated risks, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Diversifying your investments can help protect you against market fluctuations and increase your chances of financial success. And diversify your income streams. Having multiple sources of income can provide financial stability and open up new opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, but a journey. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and growing. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Just like training for a marathon, achieving financial freedom takes time, effort, and a lot of hard work. By embracing the principles outlined in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you can pave your own path to a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Start today and take the first step towards financial independence and a life of abundance.